Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Nike Air Jordan Retro High Light Smoke Gray. Star number on this is 555088-126. White, black dash light smoke gray dash varsity red. So it is retail for $190. The drop date on this was on July 11, 2020. So I'm not sure why StockX shows $170. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys what the shoes look like, okay? So last time I tried to open the bottom, and as you can see, there's a glue. But this time around, they did not tape the bottom. Normally they have a Nike tape, or I just do it. And you can see the box is smashed up a little bit. Hopefully on the inside box is not damaged. So because of the labels on the front or the top, I need to put it vertically. So you see the sticker right here. Make sure the label is out of the way. Alright, so as you can see, just do it. And then the shoes is upside down. What is going on? So this is the bottom of the box. Got the Nike swoosh in red and also the words swoosh. And then here's a sticker with the Nike swoosh air, swoosh, and then air, Nike air, air sole. And then there's your upside down made in China. So on the top, you got this traditional Nike in a red color with the two at the register trademark. Got the same logo right here. And then right here too. And it says 1985 Air Jordan 1. Another one. Let's go and then check out this size label. And then there's a cutout half circle right here, or the half dome. There's your UPC barcode right there. It's a Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. USA size 9, made in China. Then there's your QR code. And then it shows $170. Let's go and then open this up. Got the Nike's logo and the word swoosh right here on the top. And then you got the number right here in red, the stamp. this white tissue paper. So you got the black suede right here on the back, varsity red with the black wing logo. And then it's got the light gray suede right here on the rear heel cup. And also on the Swish logo in black. And then on the ice day. Then the toe box area right here. Come with the extra white lace. And you have the gray tip. And then here's the top of the tongue. Nike Swish Air in red. Made in China. Let's go and take out the shoes tree. Got the glossy tip. Go and then focus on this size label. January 8, 2020, and then March 12, 2020. There's your EPC code right there. Again, it's made in China. There's your men's size 9 sticker, and also the Nike Air Swish logo right there. And right here is pretty padded. Let's go and then check out the outsole right here. Got the black outsole with the Nike swoosh. The midsection right there. And this is what the shoes tree look like. It's zi in Chinese, recycle paper. Got the Jumpman. Some of the recycle symbol right there. QF-AL 9 to 9.5. Die cut sock liner. By the way, there's a green clear sticker right there. It says YDM or something. Maybe in case you guys want to do some legit check. I don't know why they put it there, but yeah. Let me check out the other one. Yeah, this quality control looks pretty clean. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.